So any obstruction on the coils of the outdoor unit is going to cause a problem. If you peeled back your condenser or your outdoor unit and you took the top off of it and then you slid the cage around it off, and then you're looking at now the surrounding area of that condenser is going to be a coil, much like you were looking at a radiator on a car or something like that. So this is where the air is going to come through these coils and then it's going to come out the condenser. If this is obstructed, then you're going to have problems with your outdoor unit working properly. So things like, when someone's mowing the yard, for sure don't aim the mower at the outdoor condenser. You want to mow a couple of strips around it going the other way. You don't want it running while you're mowing. So anytime you start to mow the yard on that hot summer afternoon or spring morning, whatever, step inside or pull your phone out if you have a Wi-Fi thermostat and turn off your system before you start. This way you're not sucking all the dust and all that stuff that's up in there. If you're having this system maintained, you will catch things like that, and that will be cleaned during the summer. That's one of the things they do. They take the system completely apart and they actually run water completely through it and clean it. They pull the control panel off or the parts panel off, depending on which kind of system you have, and they blow all that out, they clean it out, they clean the connections. There's spider webs in there, there's all kinds of bugs in there, there's dust and leaves and everything that you could think of. And they blow all that out, clean it out, check for loose connections, and then check all the parts that's inside it as well. So these are things that happen when you're getting your system serviced. Now, when you think about the blockage of the coils and what that's doing, the very first thing it's doing is it's causing your system to work harder. And if your system is working harder, your utility bill's going up and you're putting a lot of pressure on your system. If that's happening, then you're taking away a little bit of the lifespan of the system. So again, keeping this clean, and like we said before, 9 times out of 10, a lot of the problems that we find on HVAC systems could have been corrected had the system been maintained. So super important to have that done. And yes, any kind of blockage on a coil is going to cause a problem, whether it's mechanically, utilities are going to go up, etc.